Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money trading stocks online and stock market update. We talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to make more money in life. So, if you want to make more money, you can subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notifications so you do not miss any of our videos. And you can get free stocks and audiobooks in the description comment at the end of the video. So today's topic, we're gonna talk about one hot stock that I have been trading and potential risk and rewards in my opinions. Look at the stock market April 1st. April Fool's Day seems to be really good day for the stock market. Look at technology stock and financials, everything's up. Microsoft is up, Google is up 3.26%. Amazon is up 2.16%, and some of the stocks are down a little bit. But if you look at the 1 week performance, you will see it's more green. So that means that stock has been going up for the past 1 week. So 4.31% for Microsoft, Facebook 7.15%, Nvidia 10.18%, Adobe 7.17%. That's pretty good news for the technology stock. So looks like the stock market has been turning, rotating back to technology. In the middle of February, the stock market has been selling off, especially the technology stock, and rotating into other cyclical stock like restaurant and stuff like that, energy. So if you look at 1 month performance, you will see Google is up 5.8%, Microsoft 6.5%, paper is down. So you will probably see a little bit more red in the technology stock. And 3 month performance more red. In Apple down 8.02%. So Apple stayed down. So basically, compared to the past 3 months since the beginning of the year. So financial is up. CAB Morgan is up 22.61%. That's pretty good. So Bitcoin price is now 59,000. As I predicted, it's becoming 60,000 again. So why is stock market rotating back into technology stocks? That's really interesting. Let's look at the stock market. Why is it happening? So look, S&P 500 one day is up. Now year to date, it stay up. Look at this. So that's why if you invest in stock markets, it's really very hard to lose money if you gonna keep holding for the long term. Look at 1 year. Look at 5 years. Even if you bought it right here, you will still be making money if you held it for 1 year. Maximum, look at that. Stock market is trending up. It's trending up. So let's look at technology stock. Technology stock today it was up as well. April 1st it was up. Year to date, it stayed up. Compared to the beginning of the year. So last 1 year is also up. 5 years is trending up. But there's always a chance that you could possibly have bought it at the tip right here. But if you did not keep investing, it's really important to keep investing regularly. Then you will average down your cost. So once the stock market became going up again, you will have made money. So let's say 2000 crash, you lost money. But if you had sold, or if you had stopped investing, you would have lost a lot of money, more than 50%. But if you kept investing, dollar cost average down, the stock market is already up, after 5 years, 6 years, So look at that. If you had hold the stock for another 10 years, you would have made a lot more profit. Look at that. 5,000 to 13,000 is more than double your money in 20 years. Yep, if you kept investing along the way, you would have made a lot of money ever since right here. So Dow Jones industry average was also up. Year to date is also up as well. 1 year up, 5 years also up as well. Maximum is also up. So that's why I like US stock markets. Stock markets, where will you put your money if you are rich people? Definitely there's no place to put. You will probably put it in your business. But if your business is making money, where's the extra cash go to? Real estate or stock market? Real estate probably much more difficult. Stock market is probably easiest place where they can put the money. So why is stock market going up again, and why are technologies stocks going up again? It's because of this new jobless claims and expectedly rose to 719,000 versus 675,000, and continuing claims we ended is up 3.794 million versus 3.75 million expected. So basically, so Jerome Powell said he's focusing on unemployment rate, claims numbers. So that means if the news is not good, so he's gonna keep the interest rate down. So that's why the stock market is going up. Everybody wants him to keep the interest rate down. And another thing is that inflation may not go up as much as if there is a bad news, it's a good news for the stock market. So okay, let's go back to what stock I have been trading. Can you guess stock number one? Maybe if you have been watching my videos, you will have already known what stock it is. It is Funko. It's a toy company in US. So I traded this stock on March 24. I sent out alert to my Patreon member. NFT is becoming hot, just like cryptocurrency 18.12, and I sold it around at the high $24. Making about 30% in one day, in 10 minutes of trading in one day. So a lot of members also got the profits. Congratulations. So I sold it around 24.44 at 12:20 p.m. So at the time the top stop price was 24.72. Then I traded this stock again because I saw the stock moving again. Remember, any stock that moved before has a tendency to move again. So that's why I'm sharing this with you. Not only to my members, but also to my audience as well, because I want you to make money. I want you to keep this in a watch list. So I bought this stock on April 1st. When the market opened, I made 8% profit in just about 10 minutes. I sold it. I told my members, hey, I sold some at 24.88, which is almost at the top. And I may be selling some around this price, but I may sell all if it hits below 23.50 cents. So it did not go to 26 and 27. So I sold it everything. So I updated. So all some people got profit. So congratulations if you got profit. So look at this, 24.81. Around that time, I sold it at the top. Then stock came back down. So look at this. If you would think that this is very, very familiar with the previous chart. So that's why stocks have their own patterns. So if you know how to spot the patterns, you can trade stocks. So it's really, really important. So what are the risks and rewards? This stock is very volatile and very speculative. And of course, if you don't know how to do investing or how to do trading, there are different types of stocks. Some stocks are really good for long term. Some stocks are only for day trading and swing trading. So you need to know which ones are which. So that's when your investing knowledge, education experience comes in. And of course, there are other unknown risks, like government regulations or anything. That bankruptcy. You never know what can come up. Rewards, this stock can move again, so keep this in your watch list. Of course, all investment have risk. You can make a lot of money or lose all your money, so invest only what you can afford to lose. And this is not investment advice to sell, buy or sell this stock. Do your own research before to buy or sell any securities. And you don't need to have a lot of money to make money. I started with $10 per day, and I started with a few hundreds and 1,000. That's how I grew my portfolio to 100,000. I made profits in stock that I used that profits as a principal to buy my first house. So you need to start investing to get rich. So you don't need to be rich to start investing. So if you are interested, if you want to know what stock I'm buying or selling, you can join my Patreon members. The link is down below as well in the description or comment. This growth Patreon is for the growth stock who wants to hold stock for like 1 year later, and the trading Patreon is for my day trade and swing trade, momentum trade alerts. And you can always message me if you become a member directly. Pay later is the most popular because if you pay for gold trading, it will cost you $104. By pay later, pay to saves you $16. Plus, you get everything from Save Up Patron, which is dividend stock, gold patron, growth stock, and trading patron, uh, trading stock as well. Okay, you can get don't forget to get free stocks in the description and comment below, and you can also get $15 per month unlimited mobile plan. And if you want to reach out to me, you can comment down below, or you can reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.